Hi, welcome to another craft. Today I'm going to read a story about a trash truck. So our craft is going to be making a trash truck, which is really simple to make. Okay, and you can see here's the garbage out the back of it. So what you need for this, a piece of paper for your truck. You can use any color. I use two different colors for the truck. You can use whatever colors you like. Some black paper, some white paper for the window and the wheels, and then if you want to use any crepe paper, you could use tissue paper, whatever you'd like to have the trash coming out the back, okay? So first of all, let me show you how to make the truck. First of all, we're going to make the cabin. That's this part here. If you want to just do a rectangle, you can. Mine's a little different, but I'll show you. We're just going to cut a little piece here and then go around however far you want, and here you go. There's your, if you want to even it out a little bit here, and then we'll glue that on. Okay, so let's glue that on. That'll be the kind of the front of the truck. So let's put that down. Then you want to cut out the trash part. So what I did, I chose red. Like I said, you can choose any color. And I'm just going to cut up, straight up, and then I'm going to go around like how you see the trash trucks. And that's the other part. So then we're going to glue that on. So let me glue that on. Oops. Okay, and let's add this. So here you have the back of your truck. So next, you're going to cut out the wheels. So let me put that back. You need what I do for the wheels, I take 3 little pieces of black paper and just cut a circles, make them pretty big, because you probably want pretty big wheels for the truck. And here you go, you got your 1, 2, 3 wheels. And then if you want to cut another little piece, like I did here, to go inside the wheels, you can do that. So let's glue the wheels on. Oops. Here's one wheel. Let's get the other piece. Put them in the back. And then the third piece. There you go. So you got that. Then you want to cut out your window. And if you want to just make a square, or you can round your window. I rounded mine a little bit. We'll cut it off, and then we'll glue the window on. Oops. Okay, let's get the window here. And then if you want, you could cut a strip right here, which I did. Just cut a strip. If you want to put some lines on your truck, it's up to you. You can really make your truck any way you want. So let's put a line there. And it looks just like your trash truck, I bet. So here you go, okay? Then if you want to make a little eye for the window, you can do that. The last thing, you just want to take scraps of paper, whatever you have. Scraps, you can use crepe paper, tissue paper, and just glue the garbage on the back of the truck, okay? And it will end up looking like this. And that's our craft for today, and I'm going to read you a story about a trash truck. Hi, welcome back to our story. The title is Trash Truck, like our truck that we made. It's written and illustrated by Max Keene, and thank you to HarperCollins Publishing for allowing us to read the book. And here you can see the big trash truck. trash truck. In a small town lived a big truck named Trash Truck. And there he is. And a little boy named Hank. Here's Hank. Looks like he likes trucks too. Hank and Trash Truck looked different, but they were actually quite alike. They both loved finding lost treasure. So there's Hank, and look at the Trash Truck picking up treasures, and had a taste for adventure. Ooh, he's climbing up. They didn't mind getting a little messy. And both enjoyed cleanup time. He's taking a bath. He's getting his truck washed. They were even alike in what they disliked. Ooh, stinky fish. Like accidents. This ice cream cone. The can fell over. Or having to be brave. Ooh, spider. It's not always easy being a little kid in a big world, or a big truck in a small town. But then one day, something amazing happened. They found someone just like them, and together. Oh, look at their world became just the right size. He's with the truck. And that is the end. Thank you for listening to the story, and we'll see you next time.